Okay, and the purpose for this white wall beam session is to show you the hotspot intensity of the shining beam Q5 RC-N3 intensity using two AA batteries. So these are nickel metal hydride rechargeables, and that's the beam of light that you see right there. And let me get my other light, which is the Robinson RC-N3, running off an RCR123 rechargeable lithium ion. Okay, so this is the Cree P4 light version of this light that you're seeing here. Previously the Robinson RC-N3 Q5 really outshone it by a significant amount, and not quite the case. They're much more equal. The RC-N3 still is a little more yellow tint versus the RC-C3, which is a bit more blue over here. But hotspot intensities now have equalized much more. Okay? So now I'm going to show you the RC-N3 Q5 running off a CR123 primary cell. Okay, and that's the light beam you see there on the left. And here again is the familiar Robinson RC-C3 P4 on the right. Okay, and I think it's a little bit brighter actually. The hotspot is a little bit more intense using the CR123 cell. So I think you're seeing the merits of the Cree Q5 emitter and its ability to really put out a good solid beam of light just using a standard primary cell. So the RC-C3 over here on the right has the advantage of an extra 1.2 volts coming out of an RCR123 cell. So this RC-C3 over here on the right is running at 4.2 volts, and the RC-N3 over here is only running at 3 volts off a primary cell. Actually, a little bit less. This CR123 cell has been used a little bit before. So, okay, so let's. And here is the light from the Robinson Shining Beam Q5 RC-N3 using two AA's. And here is the Robinson RC-C3 P4 running off an RCR123. Here's the AA loaded RC-N3 Q5. And the RCR123 loaded Robinson RC-C3. And I'm just going to toggle back and forth. RC-N3, 2AA, RC-C3, RCR123, RC-N3, 2AA, RC-C3, RCR123. And one more time, here's the RC-N3 off two AA's. Okay? So now I'm going to compare it with the DL Extreme 6090 running off two RCR123s. So there's the Robinson RC-N3 with the two AA's. And there's the 6090 running off two RCR123s. RC-N3, 2AA, 6090, RCR123. So now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to run the RC-N3 off a primary cell. So there's the Shining Beam RC-N3 Q5 running off a primary cell at 3 volts. And there's the RCC3 running off an RCR123. And I'm going to toggle back and forth. RCN3, RCC3, RCN3, primary cell, RCC3. So here again is the Deal Extreme 6090 running off a pair of RCR123 cells. And here is the RCN3 Shining Beam Q5 powered by a primary cell. 6090 Shining Beam Q5 RCN3. Okay, so let's go inside and wrap things up. So in this last little demonstration, I'm going to show you the practical uses of a glow-in-the-dark tail cap, which is the final little chapter of this lengthy RCN3 review. So as you see here, I'm charging up a little bit with my 6090 501B, and let's kill the lights and see what it looks like. Whoa, pretty cool, huh? I like it. Light is emitting from now both ends, and let's do this. Let's dim the lights a little bit here. Okay, oh, there it is. Can you see that? Whoa, pretty cool. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So what you can do, I guess, you only sort of put it across the bed. There you go. Sorry, I almost fell. There you go. Can't even see it. See, here's the problem. My camera doesn't have the optical sensitivity to pick out a dimly lit object across the room. So in reality here, I'm looking across the room and I can easily see that O-ring, or that cap. But in reality, you really can't. So of course it's dimming. It's dimming rapidly now that I've moved it away from the flashlight. But a pretty useful feature that if your eyes are dilated at night, you can easily see this from across the room. So it's a nice little feature to have. Okay, so thanks again, everyone, for taking the time to view these videos, and hope you guys enjoy them. Thanks a lot.